Welcome everyone. In today's video we unbox the HP E27 G4 monitor. Join us as we showcase the package and contents. The monitor comes with a sturdy base, a monitor arm, a power cable, an HDMI cable, paint the base. We find common screws to ensure they don't get lost. The package also includes an instruction manual to assist using the setup process. The monitor arm fits perfectly and provides robust support. With a generous 25-inch display and a resolution of 1920 x 1018, this monitor delivers an impressive visual experience. It offers multiple connectivity options including VGA and HDMI, catering to our specific needs. The HP brand logo is prominently displayed, and the monitor's sleek and slim design adds an elegant touch. It can also be easily mounted on an HP monitor arm for added flexibility. That concludes today's video. We hope you found this unboxing and review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.